making too big a deal of this.
So this is Dag's first official meal with Grandpa and Daddy. And he gets the lovely rice pudding.
What the heck?
Or whatever this is. Rice cereal? It's rice cereal.
I'll pin him down. Force it in his mouth.
Is that good, Dag?
He's doing it all right.
Gotta have some beverage as well to wash it down.
Look at Grandpa.
Supposed to go the other way.
He seems to be eating it. Is that yummy?
Okay, you did it.
Is that good stuff? Oh, he's gonna wash it off on his bib now.
What do you think? Good? What do you think, bud?
Seems to be disappearing.
Maybe Daddy should try some.
Daddy will not try some.
How about Grandpa?
What is it? What is it?
It's rice cereal.
It's still sweet, actually.
You added milk with it, didn't you?
I had to do it with milk.
Your milk?
That's what you're supposed to have.
Blah, 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 blah. Hey, keep it in the mouth. That must be what the sweet thing is.
You're doing pretty good, bud.
Is this fun? As we pin you down to make you eat?
It's either that or handcuffs. Huh?
He's actually like opening his mouth and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Good boy.
Yummy.
We should have got the big box.
He seems to be okay with it.
He's leaning forward and everything.
I'm surprised because he wasn't taking his milk that he would do this good.
Maybe he wanted more activity.
Might be. That was a big open mouth.